Genevieve. We're in Pittsburgh for Aunt Barbara's birthday. Weekend before the Super Bowl. What are you doing? What are you doing, sweetie? Somebody wishes she could crawl.
She's almost there, though.
What's Daddy doing?
What am I doing?
Who loves the Steelers?
This guy.
What baby loves the Steelers? That tired girl.
Genevieve. Hey, Genevieve. Genevieve. Come on, inchworm. Come here, inchworm. Give me your hand. Come on, give me your hand. Come on, inchworm. Come on, inchworm. You almost there? Almost
She's
there.
trying.
Come on, give me your hand. That's a baby. That's a little girl. Come on, little girl. Give me your hand. Come on, little girl. Come on, Vivi. Give me your hand. Come on, Vivi. Give me your hand. Hi, baby. Give me your hand. Give me a high five. That's gonna get angry.